What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll show you how to delete Whop account. So, you might be wondering how to exactly delete your Whop account here. Well, deleting your account is fairly easy. So, first things first is you want to go to Whop here, just basically log in into your account. Now, all we need to do is you want to go to the left side of your screen here, and you should see a number of icons that you can press. Now, you want to look for your profile icon, so usually it's going to be at the very bottom here. Go ahead and press on it. Now, what we need to do is you want to go ahead and look for the danger zone option, click on it, and you should see the option here that says delete account. But just in case if you just want to sign out, just click on sign out here. But if you really want to delete your account, just click on delete account. And you just need to type in the word delete here to confirm this action. And also, you will permanently lose access to all your products on Whop here and all data associated with this account that you're currently deleting. So you cannot reverse this. So make sure to remember that. But if you're really sure, just type in delete here and click on delete account and you should be good. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.